Is it afternoon now? Is it
Afternoon, yes.
It's been a long day today here at Brandon's house, the Hearns, with Brandan, Vanessa, and the family. And today, for Brandon's birthday, there's this dish that his mother-in-law, Vanessa's mom, is gonna make. The name is, what is it, Vanessa?
Ají de Gallina.
Ají de Gallina. I'll forget the name later on, but for now, we're gonna try this authentic Peruvian dish. Excited to try it, so let's get started right now.
Oh, ya lo vi.
Get the sliced potato, right?
Get a slice of potato, get 2 slices of potato.
2 slices of potato. Okay. What is this called?
Ají de Gallina.
Ají de Gallina.
Yeah.
Okay, and then egg
It's
and egg.
supposed to be hen, but it's made with chicken.
Okay, okay.
So it's shredded spicy chicken or
Okay.
hen.
I got a whole egg. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure, if you want a whole egg.
Okay. And then get some rice. All right. Put some rice on a plate like that. Like so. How about the olive?
That's on top for decoration, so you'll put it after.
Oh, afterwards?
Dinner.
Afterwards. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
And you just throw that on top of everything.
oh.
Or
This-
on the side, however you like it.
I'll do
On
it like
top
this.
or on the side, however.
On top or the side. Okay. We'll put it probably on the side.
Oh, it looks so perfect.
It looks pretty. I'm gonna go one more round. This is, I already forget the name, but it's the
Ají de
chicken.
Gallina.
I was saying?
Ají
Ají
de
de Gallina. Okay.
something of the chicken.
Okay, nice.
Yep.
Just on top of anything, right?
There you go.
Boom, there, garnish.
Okay, garnished.
Here.
That's it, huh?
That's making it look pretty, and that's, how you actually eat it.
Oh, look at that. Amarillo?
Yeah,
Yeah, good. You can use
It's a
it?
pepper, but it's mild.
Go for it. Are you gonna use it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw mine kind of on the side.
Okay.
That way I can,
Yeah, do on the side too. Yeah.
if I really want it, I'll mix it in. But this way you can try it straight.
Is this one of Brandon's favorite Peruvian dishes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh man.
Oh yes, this is one of my favorites.
This is one of your favorites? Ají Gallina.
Ají de Gallina.
Oh, Ají de Gallina. Oh yeah, look at that. Super authentic, right?
Super authentic.
Super authentic Peruvian dish. Ají de Gallina.
Yep.
Got it right the 20th
There you
time
go.
finally.
The gringo told you you're right.
Show me how it's done.
All right.
Who's
So
gonna
first,
show?
you want to just try some straight ají de gallina.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay.
Experience that bliss right there. That Peruvian spices mixed in with that chicken.
Yeah.
Wonderful taste.
Nice.
Just a small hint of a spice. Then you go in with some of the other small spicy stuff, and then
Oh wow. Yeah, yours is loaded up too.
oh yeah.
Nice. So I'm gonna try that piece of chicken. Here we go. Ooh, man, that looks creamy, delicious. All right. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, the shredded chicken. A little turmeric, right? A little pepper. Is it coconut milk in here too? Coconut milk.
The evaporated milk. Because in Peru we normally use evaporated milk, so I'm not really sure which one.
I see. Oh, but that is tasty. Yeah, peppery, a little bit salty, and the creaminess for sure.
Yes. Combine it with the chili.
With the
Combine
chili.
With the chili
Okay,
now.
I'm gonna have the
Combine
chili
with
now. So get some of that chicken, put it on the chili, just the chicken and chili by itself. Oh,
Adds just a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick, added flavor.
I like that. Yeah, has a different like flavor contrast when you add in the orange chili. What kind of chili is that anyway? Is that ricotta? Ricotta?
No, ají amarillo, yellow pepper.
Oh.
Yellow chili pepper.
Oh, ají amarillo,
Peruvian chili pepper.
Peruvian chili pepper. Oh, a little spice, not too much.
Just a little bit. Just
a little bit.
a tiny zing to let you know there's spice there.
right.
Next, you got to get it with some potato.
Potato. Okay, so potato action going on now. So grab the potato and chicken.
Potato and chicken.
All right, potato and chicken it is.
Just like that.
Go for it. Here we go. Ooh, well, he loves that. Oh yeah. I do like that potato.
Now you got to try it with the rice.
A little spicy by itself,
Yeah, a little bit, not too much.
but I'm not sure if it's the residuals of that orange salsa.
Yeah, the orange really kicked with the spice.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I like it.
Yes, that is it. And now you just combine everything and eat it all at once.
That's good with rice too. Both items different different texture with the potato and rice, but those work really. But it says combine everything now. I haven't had it with the olive, so I'm gonna have it with the olive now. We'll go chicken and olive. Oh yeah, I like the olive. A little briny combined with that chicken.
Yeah, it's Peruvian olive, and I think it's more acidic than the regular olive that they say.
Oh, you got any chips?
All right,
Yeah,
now
that's the gringo style.
now gringo style.
Gringo style.
Now you eat the chicken with the chips.
Okay, chicken and chips.
Chicken and chips.
Okay, here we go. Scoop that. Chicken and chips. Oh yeah.
That crunch with that chicken flavor.
works.
Awesome.
Yeah. That definitely works.
Once you add the chips in, you don't need forks and knives anymore.
I'll still use mine to get some of that potato, but yeah, those chips work. Same thing with egg, right? Just add everything on the egg. So I'll add that on top of the egg.
But because it's, the chicken is shredded, so when translating, we use a spicy shredded chicken.
I see. The orange sauce on the egg too.
Well, not shredded, pulled.
Yeah, the orange sauce is awesome.
Pulled chicken.
Oh yeah, he's got a good flavor.
Put it right over here. Ooh-wee. What was this orange sauce called again?
Ají amarillo.
Ají amarillo.
Amarillo.
There.
Ají amarillo.
Ají amarillo.
Experiment.
I'm adding a little bit of sweet potato habanero because
That's right.
what's more Peruvian than sweet potato?
Yeah,
All right, with a little habanero. All right, that was more than I wanted, but oh well.
We picked that up this morning for his birthday. Got this guy a haircut. Look at that hair.
Yeah, check that fade out.
Yeah.
Right there,
Yeah.
right there.
So this is it. Ají amarillo.
Oh, that's what it is. Ají amarillo.
Chicken with a little bit of the sweet potato.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Sweetness.
Sweetness?
On the sweet potato.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I love this. I love this.
Nice.
This is one of my favorite dishes.
I gotta go the egg now with everything and the ají amarillo.
Amarillo.
Oh, eggy yumminess.
Wow. It is very good.
Yes, you like that first time. Can I fill my water backpack?
No.
That's good right there, buddy. Thank you. Okay. All right. Back to that amarillo.
Ají amarillo.
Yeah.
Potato's really good.
Yeah, it is. Scoop that.
Like sometimes when they make this, I'll just eat it just with chips. I won't have anything else.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, perfect. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Let me grab a chip too.
All the
Scoop that.
Peruvian. All the Peruvians who ever watch this movie will hate me for this.
Oh yeah? Oh.
Yes.
Or maybe it will become a trending.
Ever?
Oh, hi guys.
You like you just mix it all in with the rice and the flavor. Just it's a really good Peruvian dish. But you roll the R, rico.
I don't roll R's.
Está rico.
It is really rico though. Muy rico. Muy rico. Oh man. Good sauce.
Not very happy I ate it with chips until they tried it and they're like, oh, that's actually good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
He's doing.
Yeah, all mine. I Americanized it, I'm sorry, but it was really good. Bam, right there. All on there nice and crunchy.
He's got a point. It is nice and crunchy. Vanessa's cracking up.
I'm married to a toddler.
Ají de Gallina.
Gallina.
They both went like this. Ají de Gringo. All right, love it, love it, guys. That's it. Happy birthday to this guy right here. Woo! Yeah, enjoy the bite life.